Got that Arrma Outcast 4S V2. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. This is gonna be an unboxing and drive. This is my first 4S Outcast. I want to check it out. I got the burgundy one, but let's open that box and let you see what comes inside. You got your tools, Arrma AA batteries, Outcast card. You can scan that in the back, and the manual. Also come with the SL T3 radio. Now let's take a look at the car. I got the red one with the plastic peel. The plastic peel in person is better because it just shows the shine of the car. This thing looks crazy. This body is nice. I started to get the gunmetal, but I'm like, I'd rather this color because it look like the old Outcast, and I plan on getting that body for my EXB Outcast so I can have the mini and the big dog. This body seems pretty good. I should reinforce it. I got some plans for this body. And this body looks pretty good. It's a new color scheme, same body, but just a new color scheme. That's all. Well, for this scale. It's the inside of it that I seen and I wanted to see for myself. You got mud guards in the front right here, and mud guards in the back, and it got a a center differential instead of the slipper. And you got your 120 amp ESC, and then you got the 2400 kV motor. You got that new Spektrum servo in there. You got still the plastic center brace. I mean aluminum center brace. You have the plastic drive shaft. And this battery connector, I like how they did this now, because you don't have to worry about it flopping around. It's already connected, so you ain't gotta worry about it. Coming loose, connected to the battery strap. Nice little design touch there. You got aluminum shocks front and rear. Another thing they got these QR codes. You can scan that. Also got adjustable turnbuckles, rear, toe in, toe out. You got two in here. Okay, toe in and toe out in front. Got one in the back. You also got plastic drive shaft front and rear. Nice little wheelie bar. Yeah, this is my first one. This is definitely my first. This is the back of the car. Wings seem pretty flexible. Nice little wing mount right there. The typical Outcast bumper. Got it right there, right into the housing. So you go underneath the chassis. The arm's nice and thick. I still want to put that center brace in the middle. There you go where the center diff is. I think you give it that little vent just to keep it a little cooler in there. Some people say if debris get in there to come out right there. Actually, debris gonna get in there because ain't no debris getting in here. Ain't nothing getting in that besides heat. So I think that's more for heat, if anything. And here go the rear arm skid plate. Oh yeah, of course you got the back flips LPs. This thing is awesome. Suspension feels nice on here. Look like it could take some little jumps. Suspension is nice. But the ESC is a new thing. It seems pretty good. I know a lot of people was having a problem with it. I want to see how it performs before I mess in it. I updated my my Outcast 8S. I updated that ESC as you've seen in the previous video. I want to see how this run first before I mess in it. Still want it updated, but I want to see how it, how it's going to perform without me doing it. Yeah, I got to get this thing outside, so let's take her out. Getting that front end, stay down, it's going to be a challenge. Yo, this thing is a beast. Oh, thought she could take it, but I guess not. Well, I better not do that jump. They only work with the big rigs. I'm back from the bash now. Now I'm gonna give you my thoughts, my thoughts about it. Car performed excellent. Very good. Very, very good. Initially, I had a problem with the battery tray, how to put these batteries on. I was going underneath it, but the battery design is pretty good. That center diff now, that center diff definitely holds it down. And back flips hold it down. As you see inside of the car, hold on, let me put a light on so you can see better. This is what the inside looked like after I ran in the dirty area. See minimum dust, like minor dust in there. Dust guards did their job in the back and in the front. It kept most of the dust and debris out. Got a couple leaves in there, but I was riding in a big pile of leaves. It held out pretty good. I thought I broke something. Well, that's the second video, but yeah, it holds it down. The next video coming up, the continuation to this video, you can see me doing some jumps and some stunts with the truck. This is definitely a stunt truck. I don't see too many flaws, but the body took a lot of damage here, and the front end right here took some damage. You can't count the skidding on the roof. That was my fault, and it took rear damage. But that's the full run that you will see next video is the full run of this. Leave a comment below to let me know which one would you prefer, the Outcast or the Crichton. If you already got the 4S Crichton and the 4S Outcast, the V2, this one is a little bit better. But is it worth you buying a whole new Outcast or Crichton if you already had a 4S one? Not at all. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.